ladies and gentlemen, the Battle of Channelchurch was actually fought in the open, unlike the fighting that took place earlier at Chancellorsville, which took place in the woods. As I mentioned earlier this morning, the Red Badge of Courage was based upon the fighting on May 3rd at Chancellorsville.